So if you decide that you want to install pads with the bed as is without taking anything apart, we don't suggest that. But if you do it, you're going to want to remove this mattress just to make it easier on yourself, so you can kind of see what you're working with. Try to be able to pull the pads down to where they're supposed to be. Next thing you want to do is you want to grab your 4mm Allen wrench. Well, we have it in a, but what you will be supplied with will be a 4mm Allen wrench. And you will now take these off. Now, if you notice, I've got all the bolts out and it's still in there. And the reason why is because these right here are pinching it together, keeping it snug and tight. The only way you're gonna get this off easily is to loosen the next top bolt just a little bit so you can slide it off. And you only have to do it to one side. Get a good grasp on it. Loosen the top bolt, slide right out. Take these and set them to the side. So now what you want to do is you want to lock at least 2 of your wheels so the thing doesn't go willy-nilly on you. All right, that way at least it's not going anywhere. And now I'm gonna pull the bunkie board out, pull straight up on it, angle it to the side, pull straight out and set it off to the side. This right here is a back panel pad. This will go right here all across your back panel. You're gonna want to rip your Velcro off of the long side, off of one of them. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start right here in this corner at the very top and follow the line all the way across. Remove the backing. And just come across it. Now, what you'll do is you'll flip it over and you will get your sides. You will place this right here in this corner, right almost on the leg, and you will go down until you run out of Velcro. You will do the same on the other side. We'll grab the bottom one and you will connect the 2 lines. You're ready to take your pad. Place this top edge over here, right where you want it, and then just move along the Velcro. Now you want to grab right here at this top corner and grab down here at the bottom and kind of just pull tight, get a little bit of tension on it, and then just snap it right next to that leg. You should land right on the Velcro, and then come right here to the middle and then just put firm pressure right on the sides. Now we'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Now we'll go right to this middle, pull down, and then work your way to the side. All right, and now your back panel is installed.